Going on YouTube? Back with another video today. It's what is it? Thursday now. Can never keep track of my days, but another morning feeding session. Let's see who's hungry today. See everyone standing at the gate, so I know they're definitely hungry. We'll see what we got. What's up, buddy? You hungry, dude? Get you some food? Yeah, you guys are hungry, huh? Good morning, buddy. Good morning. Oh, good morning, big boy. Yeah. Good morning. Let's get you some food. Yeah, let's get you some food. Alright. Back it up, dude. Back it up. Back it up. Alright. Come on, buddy. Ooh. Come on. I know. You're hungry. I'm gonna feed you. Good try, you guys. You guys are always in the way. Move. Beat it. Watch out. Watch out. Yeah. You guys always knocking your damn food bins all over the place. Oh, dang. What are you doing over there, turkey? What are you doing? Sitting on some eggs? Huh? Can always get her going. Just make some random noises at her. She starts chirping. Well, we over here have actually acquired a new animal. I was outside yesterday and heard like almost like a bird sound, like a loud pitch, like kind of cry. I was like, what the hell? And I come around the corner and there's just this little tiny kitten outside. Come here, little buddy. So we have acquired it. We have too many cats in the house already, so we decided to let it live in the barn for now, let it grow up. It's probably 3, maybe 4 weeks old. I don't know where its mom is or what happened, but it's doing all right. Just happened last night. But see a little kitten. Come here, buddy. Ooh. Yeah, he's very, very, very small. There you go, buddy. There you go. Go and eat your food and water. Good. Yeah, just gave a little bit of wet food and water for now. Hopefully it makes it. Let's see what happens though. Comment down below what you guys think we should name. I believe it's a girl. We should name her. But yeah, I'd be interested to see what y'all think. She's a little cute little thing. But like I said, we already have enough animals in the house, so she'll be a barn cat, which is fine. She can hang out in here. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I felt bad. I want to bring her inside, but we just, like I said, already got 3 cats, so it's a little too much. A little too much. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah, so I was a surprise yesterday. Didn't expect that, but let's go ahead and get some food for these guys. Back it up. There you go. There's a scoop. Let's get another scoop here. There you go. Get you a couple more. Another one. Inside. One more. Usually give them about 4 scoops a day. Not usually. Usually does them for the day. There you go. All right. Now let's get the old horse fed. See how he's doing. I'm sure he's hungry. Always hungry. Come on, big boy. You hungry, huh? I know. I know. You're gonna come chasing. I know. Relax. He's gonna try and cut me off like always. Go ahead, buddy. Yeah. Let's fix this for you. There you go. There you go. There you go. Eat up, big boy. Get out of here. I literally just gave you food. Get. Get. I literally just gave you food. Yeah, go back over there. Go ahead, go back. Yeah, run away. Must be about the worst thing about the goats. They literally will eat anything but their own food, unfortunately. So sometimes I have to stay out here and watch them, but by the time I'm usually done feeding them and giving them hay and stuff, he's usually finished his grain. But they literally, that's why I bought the taller like feeder to try and, you know, prevent it, but they're obviously tall enough and goats love jumping, so they just hop right up and take his food, and she's already right back over there. So let me grab the hay and I'm gonna have to scare her off. Alright, let me get this thing of hay. Alright, push this out of here. I need to get a new wheelbarrow. This thing is, I don't know, this wheelbarrow is probably, I don't even know. It's probably 8 years old, 8 years old, something like that. I've had it for so freaking long, and it's sat for so long as well, and like outside. And when I got the horse, I just started using it again because it's just the easiest way to bring all the hay over and stuff. But the tires are flat, it squeaks real bad, as I'm sure you can hear, and it's just time for a new one. I just haven't really been able to afford one. I mean, they're not that expensive, but just gotta go get one. But yeah, the wheelbarrow is like the easiest thing to feed these guys. I actually just bought a hay bag because he wastes way too much hay. Unfortunately, with this, he just wastes too much hay, so got a hay bag to feed him out of to hopefully help with waste a little bit. So hopefully that'll help a little bit. It's not that he purposely wastes it, obviously. It's just he picks a big scoop out of it and it just falls, so it falls on the ground. And I mean, the goats will eat it off the ground and stuff, but he usually won't. So I got a slow feeder hay bag to hopefully preserve some hay and save a little bit. But yeah, so slow feeder, hopefully preserve a little hay and won't be as bad. This rooster's been real, he's left me alone. Let's say that. I gotta put the fear of God in him sometimes. He don't mess with me no more. Sometimes you gotta smack him around a little bit, show him who's the actual boss. And ever since I've done that, he's actually been pretty good. He runs away from me now, which is fine. He still protects the hens like he's supposed to, but he runs away from me, which is perfect, and leaves the kids alone, leaves everyone alone. So that is how we like that. Put that away. Hopefully this feeder bag will be here later. All right, let's go feed these pigs. Let's see what's going on over there. I'm trying to cut the length down on these videos down a little bit. I know they're a little long. I like to talk, but I'm trying to shorten these videos up a little bit, so try and keep people's attention a little more. I did pretty well in the first video. I think I had over 200 views. Second one had like 150. But the third one didn't have very much, unfortunately. I think it's only gotten like 50 views so far, so let me try and shorten these videos a little bit and see if that helps. I don't really do a whole lot of editing. I just, cut out the parts where there might be a time where I'm not talking about something or just standing there or moving the camera around different angles and stuff, but we're gonna cut some of that stuff out and try and shorten this up a little bit, make it a little faster for us. Oh yeah, you guys are hungry, I see, huh? Oh yeah. Look at you guys digging away, huh? What's up, Pua? Spot? Big boy? Yeah, I see you guys up in your mud hole over there, yeah. You guys are... Look at you. Look at you. Look at that face. You're all mud. You're covered in mud. You're covered in mud, dude. Yeah, you too, Pua. You're covered in mud too. Yeah. Let's get you guys fed. Let's get you guys fed. Yeah, I hear you guys. I know. I'm coming. I'm getting it right now. Relax. I literally just fed you guys last night. I know you guys are good. Unlock this door for you. There we go. Get in here. Let's grab this food. Just 1 scoop. 2 scoop. 3 scoop. Get you another good one. And bags. All right. Let's go feed you guys. There you go. There you go. Don't fight over it now. There's plenty for both of you. You don't need to fight over it. You don't need to fight over it, you crazies. There you go. Guys definitely sound like pigs eating up, I see. Yeah, putting on some weight. This guy's Spot's getting pretty big. He's a big pig. He's probably at least 200 pounds, I'd have to say. She's probably right around the same. Maybe she's a little bit smaller, but they definitely eat, I'll tell you that. But yeah, honestly, they're not bad. Nice little pets. I mean, I want to get, like I said, I want to breed them and get some more for sure, but Just don't really have the room right now, nor the money to feed them right now. Or I have enough to feed these two, but I don't have the money to feed a bunch of them. So they definitely eat. That's the they don't use that term for a reason. Eat like a pig. So, but yeah. But I think that'll just about do it for this video. Like I said, I'm trying to shorten these up just a little bit. Just to help. I know some people don't like the long length videos, so we'll try and shorten up a little bit. Maybe make some shorts out of them, but I appreciate the following and the views, the likes, comments, all the subscriptions. You guys are awesome. Let's keep it going. Please feel free to share this with your friends, family, everyone in the office, standing at the water cooler, you name it. Share it, get it out there. Like I said, we're going to be making content. At least two to three videos a week is what I would like to strive for. I don't necessarily have a schedule of days. It's just kind of when I have time. I mean, some mornings, like I have something to do, like a dog's appointment or something, so I'm out here feeding them early, real quick. I have to feed them real quick, so I don't really have time to make a video. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. We'll follow along on this little kitten's journey if you want to see how he progresses and grows, or she, he, I don't know what it is. I'm pretty sure it's a girl, but we'll figure out here soon. But yeah, comment down below, what do you think we should name her? And you know, how about yeah, let's comment down below what you think we should name her, and the most liked name we'll name her. Well, I'll let you guys name the kitten. We'll do a little subscriber naming and let you guys pick the name. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share, post it, do what you gotta do. You know what to do, hit all the buttons. I appreciate y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.